Hey, guys, today, let's learn how to send view one's photos in WhatsApp. Alright you guys, if you guys would like to go ahead and send those view one's only photos on WhatsApp, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do that step by step, so please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright guys, so what we need to do first is to go ahead and launch the WhatsApp application, and then want you to go ahead and initiate your preferred chats. Now, let's go ahead and tap on the plus icon to go ahead and choose a photo from our photo and video library. Now I'm gonna go ahead and tap on allow for access, and I'm gonna go and just choose the photo maybe that I prefer. Let's say this one. So in this case, I want to go ahead and basically tap on this option. Basically, this enables the view one's messages to give you more privacy. Just go ahead and tap on OK, and basically, once the one is already highlighted over here, it is already enabled. You could also go and just tap on that once more to disable it. But once it is highlighted, it is now enabled. Step on, send once you're ready, and that's your view once photo already sent to the chat. That's all for this video guys. Thank you always for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.